Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. The question that arises in the present appeals is whether when a person is declared to be a willful defaulter under the circulars of the Reserve Bank of India, such person is entitled to be represented by a lawyer of its choice before such declaration is made. Stop. The RBI circular dated 01/07/2013 is described as a master circular on willful defaulters master circular and is addressed to all scheduled commercial banks excluded regional rural banks and local area banks and to all India notified financial institutions. Stop. The purpose of the said master circular is stated as follows. Purpose: to put in place a system to disseminate credit information pertaining to willful defaulters for cautioning banks and financial institutions so as to ensure that further bank finance is not made available to them. Stop. Under this master circular, willful default has been defined as follows. Stop. Definition of willful default. The term willful default has been redefined in suppression of the earlier definition as under: a willful would be deemed to have occurred if any of the following events is noted. Stop. The unit has defaulted in meeting its repayment obligations to the lender even when it has the capacity to honor the said obligations. Stop. The unit has defaulted in meeting its repayment obligations to the lender and has not utilized the finance from the lender for the specific purposes for which finance was availed of but has diverted the funds for other purposes. Stop. The unit has defaulted in meeting its repayment obligations to the lender and the funds so that the funds have not been utilized for the specific purpose for which finance was availed of, nor are the funds available with the unit in the form of other assets. Stop. The unit has defaulted in meeting its repayment obligations to the lender and has also disposed of or removed the movable fixed assets or immovable property given by him or it for the purpose of securing a term loan without the knowledge of the bank lender. Stop. The grievance redressal mechanism is set out in paragraph 3 of the master circular as follows. Stop. Grievance redressal mechanism. Banks should take the following measures in identifying and reporting instances of willful default. Stop. With a view to imparting more objectivity in identifying cases of willful default, decisions to classify the borrower as willful defaulter should be entrusted to a committee of higher functionaries headed by the executive director and consisting of two as decided by the board of the concerned bank. Stop. The decision taken on classification of willful defaulters should be well documented and supported by requisite evidence. Stop. The decision should clearly spell out the reasons for which the borrower has been declared as willful defaulter vis-a-vis RBI guidelines. Stop.